Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your audio to text using Speak AI. So, let's get started. First, visit the Speak AI website and create an account or log in to your existing account. You can find the link in the description below to try Speak AI for free. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard. Here, you will find the option to upload audio or video files. Click on that option. Now, upload the audio file you want to transcribe. Speak AI supports multiple formats like MP3, WAV, and more. For this example, let's upload a simple MP3 file of a podcast. After uploading your file, you will have options to set language preferences and transcription settings. Choose the language that matches your audio. You can also customize your transcription with options like timestamps and speaker identification. Next, start the transcription process. Speak AI will use its advanced speech-to-text algorithms to automatically transcribe your audio. Depending on the length of the audio file, this process may take a few minutes. While we wait for the transcription, let's quickly go over what Speak AI can do. It not only converts audio to text, but also evaluates the emotional tone of conversations. It identifies key phrases from both text and audio. It even supports multiple languages, making it useful for global users. Additionally, it integrates with other applications for automated workflows, which is great for businesses. Now that the transcription is completed, it will appear in the editor. Here, you can review the text and make any necessary edits. You might want to check for any misheard words or phrases, especially if there was background noise in the audio. Once you are satisfied with your transcription, you can export the text in various formats. Speak AI allows you to save your transcription as a TXT, DOCX, or CSV file. Let's export this transcription as a DOCX file. Now let's go through another example. The steps are the same. First, upload your audio file. Then, start the transcription process and wait for it to finish. Once the transcription is complete, review the text and make any needed edits. When you are happy with the final transcription, you can export the text, and that's it. You have successfully converted audio to text using Speak AI. For more information and to try Speak AI for free, please check the link in the description below.